Hello and welcome to today's quick fit tip. For this one, we're going to talk about how to pick up your pace. So if you're on a cycling bike, your pace is going to be relative to your RPM or your cadence. If you're doing a running workout or a jogging or a walking workout, you're going to look at your miles per hour or maybe even your stride rate. So one thing to do to make sure that your pace isn't dropping is check out your monitor. If you have an exercise bike that can track your RPMs or your cadence, make sure you're looking at the specific number you don't want to drop below and increase your intensity if you see that it starts to drop. The next thing, which for treadmills is great because you can just set the miles per hour to a specific pace that you want to perform at, and it's going to go forever. So make sure that you set a good, comfortable place and slowly increase it as you become a stronger runner. The next thing you can do is work out with a pacer, and what that means is you can use somebody who's a stronger cyclist or a stronger runner and have them increase the intensity and the pace a little bit more than you would normally push yourself at, and that will help you increase your performance as well. The last one is music. It's really important to make sure that your songs that you are choosing have a tempo or a beat that will push you a little bit faster than you normally run at or cycle at. So make sure you're checking out the beats per minute. There's a lot of good playlists that you can find that will control your beats per minute for you. All you gotta do is pop it on and give it a go, and your pace of your exercise or your workout will match that song naturally. Good benefits from music as well. You're going to improve your performance because you will most likely push yourself a little bit harder because you're enjoying the music that you're listening to. And finally, it'll also increase your calorie burning potential because you're pushing yourself a little bit harder, a little bit faster, a little bit more upbeat to that tempo. You'll be able to burn a little bit more calories since the music is pushing you a little bit harder. Don't forget to check out our website. We have an article coming up tomorrow that's going to go in depth into music and beats per minute and how that can help you. And make sure you stay tuned for more quick fit tips.